problems on echelon form. By using echelon form, you have to calculate the rank of the matrix. Now, I will explain the concept of row echelon form or echelon form. A matrix capital A is said to be in echelon form if number of zeros before the first non-zero element in a row is less than the number of such zeros in the next row. Once again, repeating. If number of zeros before the first non-zero element in a row is less than the number of such zeros in the next row. I will explain the meaning of this sentence. Suppose if any matrix is given, it may be rectangular or square matrix. In the second row, first element is 0. In the third row, first 2 elements are zeros. In the fourth row, first 3 elements are zeros. In the same way, suppose if you take in the 10th row, first 9 elements are zeros. In the nth row, first n minus 1 elements are zeros, then that matrix is in echelon form. The meaning of that one, observe. Now you read the statement once again. Number of zeros before the first non-zero element in a row. Suppose if you are taking in a second row. In that second row, first element is 0. Next is less than the number of such zeros in the next row. In the third row, we have 2 zeros. First 2 elements are zeros. Means when you are comparing these two things, in the second row we have 1 0, first element is 0. In the third row, first 2 elements are zeros. Means like this, if number of zeros before the first non-zero element in a row is less than the number of such zeros in the next row. Then after getting the echelon form, the number of non-zero independent rows in echelon form of A is called rank of the matrix, right? Then if you want to convert in any matrix into this form, then you have to use principal diagonal element. Means in the second row first element is 0, in the third row first 2 elements are zeros. Like that, if you want to convert into that form, then you have to use principal diagonal element. Means using first principal diagonal element, make below elements as zeros. Using second principal diagonal element, make below elements as zeros by using row transformation, like that, third, fourth, fifth. Now first problem on echelon form. Reduce the matrix to echelon form and find its rank. Now A equal to -1, -3, 3, -1. Second row 1, 1, -1, 0. Third row 2, -5, 2, -3. Fourth row -1, 1, 0, 1. This is 4 by 4 matrix. You have to convert this matrix into echelon form. Echelon form means second row first element 0, third row first 2 elements zeros, in fourth row first 3 elements I want zeros. Now given matrix A equal to, once again I am reading that matrix, -1, -3, 3, -1, 1, 1, -1, 0, 2, -5, 2, -3, -1, 1, 0, 1. Now in this first principal diagonal, I will read out principal diagonal elements. First principal diagonal element is -1. Second principal diagonal element is 1. 2, 1 are the principal diagonal elements. Now using the first principal diagonal element, you have to make below that elements as zeros. Means you have to change R2, R3, R4. Now R2 changes as R2 plus R1, because R2 first element is 1. If you are adding these two numbers, then it becomes 0. That's why I am writing here R2 changes as R2 plus R1. R3 changes as R3 plus 2 R1. Means R3 is 2 and first principal diagonal element is -1. If you are multiplying with 2, it becomes 2 minus 2, it becomes 0. In the same way, R4 changes as R4 minus R1, because R4 is also -1, R1 is also -1. First elements of R1 and first elements of R4 both are -1, then you have to subtract. Then using these operations, then first row I am writing as it is, we are not doing anything in the first row. -1, -3, 3, -1. Now R2 changes as R2 plus R1, means you add first 2 rows, -1 plus 1, 0. 1 minus 3, -2, -1 plus 3, then it becomes 2, 0 minus 1, minus 1. Second row is over after modification. Third row, 2 minus 2 plus 2 plus minus 2 into plus 2 into minus 1, 2 minus 2, it becomes 0. Next, minus 5 minus 6 minus 11, 2 plus 6, 8, minus 3 minus 2 minus 5. Third row is over. Fourth row, minus 1 minus 1, when you are subtracting these two elements, 0, 1 plus 3, 4, 0 minus 3 minus 3, 1 minus of minus, it becomes plus, 1 plus 1 is 2. Now, below the first principal diagonal element, I got zeros. Now, using the second principal diagonal element, you make below elements as zeros. Then, below second principal diagonal elements, we have two elements, minus 11 and 4, you make these two as zeros. Then, R3 changes as 2R3 minus 11R2. 2R3 means it becomes minus 22. Again, the above element also minus 22. When you are subtracting minus 22 plus 22, it becomes 0. In the same way, R4 changes as R4 plus 2R2. Then first two rows are same. I am writing the matrix. This is equivalent symbol. This symbol is equivalent symbol. Minus 1, minus 3, 3, minus 1. 0, minus 2, 2, minus 1. Whatever we have done in above matrix, after modification, we are writing those two rows only here. 0, both elements are zeros. I am writing here 0. Minus 22 plus 22, it becomes 0. 16 minus 22 minus 6 minus 10 plus 11, it becomes 1. Both elements are zeros in the fourth row. First element is 0, second element is also 0. 4 minus 4, 0, minus 3 plus 4, 1, 2 minus 2, 0. Now, in after second principal diagonal element, below principal diagonal element also I got zeros. Now, below the third principal diagonal element, you make as zeros. Only one element is available, you make that one as 0. R4 changes as 6R4 plus R3. Then first three rows are same, minus 1, minus 3, 3, minus 1. 0, minus 2, 2, minus 1. 0, 0, minus 6, 1. Next, fourth row, 0, both elements are zeros. By using third row, we are doing here 0, 0, plus 6 minus 6, 0, 6 into 0, 0, plus 1, 1. Now, this is our final matrix. In this matrix, in the second row, first element is 0. In the third row, first two elements are zeros. In the fourth row, first three elements are zeros. The above matrix is in echelon form. Number of non-zero rows means if in any row, if all the elements are zeros, then that row is called zero row. At least one element is non-zero, then that is called non-zero row. Now observe this one, first row is non-zero row, second row, third row, fourth row, all are non-zero rows. The total number of non-zero rows are 4, therefore rank of A equal to 4, rank A equal to 4. Means in echelon form, after getting echelon form, the number of non-zero rows in A, in row echelon form, that is rank of the matrix.